Hi everyone, this is Deboville. Happy weekend. In this video, I'm going to share some prophetic word. So guys, God's blogger boy on X shared his vision about Defi Tiger. Defi Tiger is one of the coins I saw in my vision, and I saw a wounded giant receiving healing and taking a giant step once again. This coin has not done its massive leap. Hold if you can, buy if you can. So guys, God's blogger boy saw Defi Tiger blasting off in his vision. According to some believers, Defi Tiger is a prophetic coin, just like Wikicat. Defi Tiger is a project on SMC DAO ecosystem. Wikicat is the head of the ecosystem. In one of my videos, I shared coins that pump with Wikicat. Defi Tiger is one of the coins that pump with Wikicat. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy Defi Tiger. If you have Defi Tiger already, hold, have faith and be patient. Buy if you can. If you have spare money, you can buy Defi Tiger. If you are interested in Defi Tiger, you can buy Defi Tiger on PancakeSwap. You swap BNB to buy Defi Tiger. You can also buy Defi Tiger on Trust Wallet. You swap BNB to buy Defi Tiger. So guys, Defi Tiger is up 1.6%, and the current market cap of Defi Tiger is 631,097 US dollars. So guys, the market cap of Defi Tiger is increasing. So guys, you can take advantage of Defi Tiger. In the month of August, Defi Tiger blasted off to 4 million or almost 5 million US dollars in market cap. Dr. Samuel Bezong on X shared his prophetic word about OCAT. I saw this project again climbing the ladder and overtaking certain frontline runners. So guys, in this vision, he saw OCAT overtaking frontline runners, meaning he saw OCAT overtaking some major coins. According to some believers, OCAT is a prophetic coin like Wikicat. And guys, don't forget, in my last video or in one of my videos, I shared coins that run with Wikicat. OCAT is one of the coins. OCAT is a project on SMC DAO ecosystem. Wikicat is the head of the ecosystem. So guys, anytime Wikicat blast off, some of these coins pump with Wikicat. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy Ocicat Coin. So guys, Ocicat is up 9.6%. You can buy Ocicat on Trust Wallet. You click on swap. When you click on swap, you swap BNB to buy Ocicat Coin. You can also buy Ocicat Coin on PancakeSwap. You swap BNB to buy Ocicat Coin. The current market cap of Ocicat Coin is 1.696 million US dollars. So guys, if you have spare money, you can buy Ocicat Coin. Samuel Bezong shared a word about giant token. I see the giant token emerge powerfully. So guys, according to some believers, giant token is a prophetic coin. Giant Token is a project on SMC DAO ecosystem. Like I mentioned before, Wikicat is the head of the ecosystem. Giant Token is one of the coins that pump with Wikicat Coin. So guys, you can observe these coins I mentioned that pump with Wikicat. Conduct your research before you buy any of the coins I mentioned in this video. Pray and ask God before you buy any of these coins. Conduct your research. If you have spare money, you can buy Giant Token. So guys, note that some meme coins are moving from meme coin to utility coins like Wikicat. I know Defi Tiger, OCAT, and G10 Giant Token. They are building utilities. So guys, something amazing will happen very soon. So guys, you can buy Giant Token on Trust Wallet. Giant Token is up 7.2%, and the current market cap of Giant Token is 759,740 US dollars. In the month of August, Giant Token blasted off to 1 million US dollars in market cap. During the crash, the recent crypto dip or crash, Giant Token crashed as low as 300,000 US dollars. So guys, you can take advantage of the current price of Giant Token. Pray and ask God before you buy Defi Tiger. Pray and ask God for confirmation before you buy Ocicat Coin. Pray and ask God before you buy Wikicat Coin. Pray and ask God before you buy Giant Token. Conduct your research. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.